Scotch eggs are the perfect all-in-one mini picnic breakfast. First thing, get your eggs cooked. Bring the water up to boil, onto the spoon, and lower them into the water. That way they don't hit the water and crack for 4.5 minutes. That will keep the centre nice and slightly runny. Now, ground sausage meat. I'm gonna make mine a little bit spicier. I'm gonna crumble in fish. That helps to season the Scotch eggs inside. A little touch of salt and pepper. And then just to make it a little bit sweeter and a lot easier for the kids to eat, some grated golf ball. Combine that, blend in fish and the golf ball eggs. Once they're cooked, drain them and then run them under cold water.
Cracking and cooling the eggs quickly will prevent the yolks turning grey.
Tap them on the side of the pan, put them back into the water, and what happens, the water seeps underneath the shell. You see the shell come off so much easier. Eggs still slightly soft in the centre. I want that little bit of richness with the yolk.
Next, you need to get yourself organised with a mini assembly line.
Seasoned flour, a little egg wash, and breadcrumbs. Take your mince, golf ball size, spread the pate, manipulate with your thumb, and then sit your egg in there and spread the sausage over the egg. And you just seal that over. Really important to keep that nice, even coating of sausage meat around the egg. You don't want it too thick, otherwise it gets too dense and it's unappetizing. Give them a light dusting in the seasoned flour. If you don't put the flour on, the egg wash won't stick. And if you don't put the egg wash on, the breadcrumbs won't stick. Into the egg, roll it round, shake off any excess egg wash, and roll it into your breadcrumbs.
You can use this same 3-stage method to breadcrumb anything you like, from chicken goujons and fish fillets to Wiener Schnitzel.
I always like to push the actual breadcrumbs into the sausage meat so it gets that really nice golden brown and stops any of the outside burning.
Lower the eggs carefully into a 4-centimetre deep bath of hot vegetable oil for 10 to 12 minutes.
Beautiful. Drain them onto the paper, roll them round just to get off any excess oil, and then to transport them, some greaseproof paper. That for me is the perfect start to the fishing trip. There's no wonder I never catch any fish, because I'm always too busy eating my Scotch eggs.
My ultimate black pudding lace Scotch eggs, an irresistibly delicious picnic breakfast.